Hey guys, so right now I'm going to talk to you about a future hair update because I haven't done one in a long time and I know I always get different haircuts and that's why I do these videos. So right now this is an update as to what my hair looks like right now and also to show you a before I talk about this. So I think you guys have seen my hair when I cut it really short. I can post a picture of what it looks like when I had it really short. And so I've been growing this out since probably November time. Maybe even before that. I don't even remember where I got my hair cut now. But I know it's been a while and it's already in the middle of February, close to the end of February actually. So as you can tell from my hair, for what I'm about to show you, my hair, you can kind of tell, this is good lighting. My hair is a natural black brown, so it's really dark. It's the color of my eyebrows. You can tell that my hair is a different shade than what my eyebrows are. And I have been using Sun-In Lightener, which you guys can look it up, and I highly recommend it if you want to lighten your hair in a very slow process. Bleaching your hair is always bad for your hair. Technically, you're stripping it of its color, which is thinning it out. It's always bad. There are safer ways to bleach your hair, but in the long run, it can be bad still. Sun-In is a slower process, and yeah, so I've just been lightening my hair just to do it. And my hair, actually, let me go run and get it because it's over there. So the Sun-In that I have been using, this is what it looks like. If you don't know what it is, this is the product that I was talking about. Every time I take a shower, my hair is wet, you get out of the shower, you spray this on your hair, all over your hair. If you want all of your hair to be lightened, sometimes you can just do parts, whatever you want. Then you can go outside and let the sun activate it, or you can take a blow dryer to your hair and it'll activate it. But I recommend doing this just once a day, or maybe even less than that, again, for the protection of your hair. Bleaching is always bad for your hair. Now, recently, to get my hair to get lighter than that, again, my hair was a lot darker than this. I don't know if you can actually tell. Yep, you kind of can. I was using the Sun-In more on this part, but that's why all my hair is not as evenly lightened up. I did use this to line my hair up even more, which I think it did work. It just made my hair more of a brown orange. That's what happens when you have dark hair and you line it. It will turn like an orangey color, which I really don't think it looks that bad. A lot of people complain about it, but I don't know. It turns into this color pretty much. I used one of these boxes, and I don't know if I will use it again. Those are the results right there. There you go, that you can see. So the darker to lighter shade. And it helped out a little bit. I can't tell you much about this because my hair was really dark. It was just a quicker step to Sun-In. But so now until this part right here, which is going to show you, I've seen a lot of mixed reviews on this, so that's why I'm kind of like, I don't know what's going to happen with my hair, and also because my hair is light and dark, so I'm probably going to get light and dark of a lighter shade, duh. But this is a bleach and dye kit, so it has the dye along with the bleaching before. You don't have to buy them separately, and they come in different ones. Again, you can look this up, and I've seen different mixed reviews. I am showing you right now about what I will be doing, and if the bleach in here lightens my hair up a lot, I might not need this. If it doesn't lighten my hair up to the point that I want it to be, then I will use this. And if this doesn't do it, then I will continue using this, which I use this every day, once a day when I take a shower. Actually, I don't use this every day. I use this maybe for 4 or 3 times out of the week. So out of 7 days, I actually don't use it every day. But we'll see what happens, and I'll get back to you guys. When I use this, I will use it and then come back to you here, and you will see the next results. This is the before, you will see the after of the bleaching, and we will continue from there. So thanks for watching this part, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so right now it's kind of late. It's probably like 10:40 right now that I'm doing this, PM. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys just a little bit of how you do this. I mean, if you guys buy the Splat, you'll see, and it's a pretty simple process. But I'm going to put this in here. So take this off. Make sure you have your gloves on the whole entire time. That's what it tells you to do for safety. I'm going to put the bottle over there so I don't knock it off. And I'm going to cut it this way to see if it helps like pour it out. I like put that all in the way. You can even see what I was doing. But okay, maybe that didn't work. There we go, because these gloves are like hard to do anything, but I don't want to mess up my hands because bleach can mess up your hands. Trust me, it's not good for you. Just be very careful while you're doing this. Don't want to drop it all over the place, do you? Like I'm doing. This is a longer process than I thought. Well, after you manage to get all of this in here, you're going to want to shake it up for a minute. So put this in here, put this in here, and then shake it up for a minute. Okay guys, so I am now ready to actually do it, and I'm going to start putting this in my hair. And this is my first time bleaching, but I'm pretty sure you put it in your hair just the same as dyeing. So just and I'm going to do my whole entire head. I hope I don't mess this up because I haven't been dyeing my hair too long. But it's an easy process. It's not too complicated. I'm sure I'll figure it out. So, see ya. Right now I look really stupid because I don't have a cap. It tells you to use one, which it would be a lot helpful with my hair, especially since it's so short. It tells you to use a cap, but it doesn't provide one in the box, which I think would be really useful if it provided one in the Splat box. So that is a part of my review that I think that needs to be included in the box. But whatever. The one thing I want to warn, which if you are a beginner, if you are watching this and you already know, then good for you. But if you are a beginner, this is like super bleach, like not super bleach, but I mean, it smells like bleach, which means it's bad for you. Do not get this in your eye. Be smart about it. Make sure not to get a lot of it on your hands. Use the gloves. Don't be dumb. This stuff can be really bad for you. Don't get in your mouth, your nose, in your ears, in your eyes. Seriously, this stuff is like super strong, and just be careful. Don't be smart. Be smart. And my hair is really, really short, and I used about half of this bottle. I don't know if that's a lot for my hair because my hair is really short, or how much other people would normally use. It does say that someone with long hair, I assume like this or even longer, would probably have to use maybe two. I wouldn't think more. It does say you probably want to use 2 if you have longer hair, but mine again is really short, and it does say use a generous amount on your head, which I did. I can promise you my hair was pretty like soaked up with the bleaching. And so yeah, with the length of my hair, if you're wondering, I did use about half the bottle. I'm looking at it right now. I don't want to touch it too much. I don't know if you can tell, it's right here. So that's about half the bottle, guys. Maybe a little less than half the bottle, about. But I have foil in my hair. So yes, I highly, especially if your hair is short like mine, I highly recommend that you get a cap. If you are only bleaching parts of your hair, this foil idea would probably be easier. Huge recommendation. Don't forget the cap. You have to go buy a separate cap. They have them in the sections. And I am leaving this in my hair for 45 minutes. I accidentally put 50 on the timer, but my hair is kind of light brown right now because I had said that I was previously bleaching before. And so my hair is more of a light brown than, or I think it says medium brown. I'd say my hair is more of a medium brown. No, I did put light brown. Excuse me. Either way, it's not dark brown, black brown. The way my hair actually is, it's lighter because I was previously lightening. So I am going to do the 45 minutes. It says 40 to 45 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and do the full 45 because my hair is kind of a mixture of the dark and light brown right now. So I'll get back to you guys after I'm done rinsing it out. So, bye. Showing you guys really quick what it looks like before my rinsing. So this side of my head is like really orange. And I missed this part, but it's alright. This part of my hair is really orange. This part is actually the blonde that it needs to be. But I'll see what's gonna happen if I'm going to do another bleach or not. Showing you guys really quick what it looks like before my rinsing. So this side of my head is like really orange. And I missed this part, but it's alright. This part of my hair is really orange. This part is actually the blonde that it needs to be. But I'll see what's gonna happen if I'm going to do another bleach or not. Hey guys, so this is the final result of me using the Splat Bleach. And this is the color that I needed to do. Remember, this was the lightest part of my hair already that I was lightening. So of course this did come out to the color that it needs to be. This is all crazy orange. I'm like, yikes, it's super orange. What I'm confused about is that it didn't bleach the back of my hair, like the bottom, the underneath part of my hair. Look, like all this didn't get bleached. I don't know why. All this, like, this is crazy. I showed you in the back. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but that's like, I'm like showing you my bed. You can't see that way, but whoops, sorry. This is the final results, and it's like 1 o'clock right now, so I'm gonna head off to bed because I have school in the morning from where I'm recording this. Any suggestions about what I should do? I mean, I wish I could go get a haircut because, I mean, this actually really does need to be trimmed off, which would be really useful. I could just be like, well, hey, I need a bunch of this trimmed off anyways, but, I'm obviously gonna have to go back in with something and line it back up again. This anyways, I was hoping it would all at least come out to this color and I wouldn't have to worry about it, but for some reason it didn't do anything to the bottom back of my hair or any of this. Does it look bad? I think it looks really bad in person right now. It doesn't look so bad, but I think it looks really bad in person, but probably because the back of my hair needs to be cut off anyways. But these are the final results, and thanks for watching, and we'll see what I do next. Bye guys.